Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got Tina in the building once again, and she got a couple of nice watch faces that are in the Gift Manager store that I'm thinking is worthy of a download. Now I'm just trying to give you some flexibility through the week for you all to be able to change it to some different watch faces and not have to pay for them. Now check Tina out. Tina got down on this one. I like the look, the design, the layout, everything is really nice. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a similar look. It's going to be dimmed down in the AOD mode, which is not a bad look at all. Now, when the watch face is on, now this is what stands out to me. Your moon phase, right? Looks realistic, looks nice, not a bad look at all, right? Now, what's nice about it is that once the daytime hit, you will get the sun here. Now, I don't know if it gives you the weather. I think it's just going to give you the sun and the moon, and they both look nice. Now, you are going to get your date at the top. Now, if you look around the bezel of the watch, it's going to let you know what month it is. I thought that was super slick, and it's already highlighted for December, so when January get here, January will be up at the top. I thought that wasn't a bad look at all. Now here you're going to get your step info. The other dial, you're going to get your heart rate information. Down at the bottom, you are going to get a digital time, but it's going to be in 24 hours, which is cool because you still got analog time, which isn't a bad look. And right here, you will get your second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. You got Tina's name down at the bottom. This is not a bad look. Now, it is not interactive, but it doesn't have to be, considering that the watch face is free. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. Watch face number 2 is by Tina once again. This one is called Tina Dial 679. Now this is definitely an elegant look, not bad at all. You can dress down if you want to in this watch face. But again, listen people, this one is free for the taking. So I don't know what you got planned for the middle of the week, if you got to go to a board meeting or any type of meeting, or if you simply just want to get ready for the weekend early, this is the watch face to do it with. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. It's just going to be dimmed down in a black theme mode, which isn't bad at all. Now, when the watch face is on, again, you have analog time. You do have a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and you know what that means. It screams luxury all day. I like the style of the hands, considering that this is such a luxury watch face. You got your date here. It's not bad at all. You got a crown at the top. I'm thinking this is definitely a nice timepiece to wear over the weekend. This is not bad, especially considering that it's a free watch face. And on top of it, you can customize the color of this. Just simply tap anywhere on the watch face and you can change the color. Now the video isn't going to do it justice. You have to check this out on your own in person. Go ahead, download it, give it a shot, see if you like it. If you don't like it, you can undownload. That choice is going to be up to you. Now you're going to get 6 color themes in all. Again, people, you got to let me know your thoughts on this one. Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the freebies for today. Make sure you pass it on to other people so they too can enjoy an awesome free watch face. And with that, hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again at the next video. Take care.